Have you ever noticed something strange? The moment you tell people about your big dream, suddenly everyone becomes an expert. You say, I want to start a business, and immediately someone says, too much competition. You say, I want to become an artist. Oh, that field is overcrowded. You say, I want to create something different. Do you even have experience? And slowly their fear becomes your fear. Their doubt becomes your doubt. And before your dream even gets a chance to breathe, you bury it yourself. Hi, I'm Lipika Sood, and I'm a motivational speaker, an interior designer, an artist, and a poet. And I love sharing beautiful things with you. Today I want to tell you something very important. Not every seed announces itself before becoming a tree. In fact, the strongest seeds grow in silence. A seed does not scream from the soil saying, "Hey everybody, I'm about to become a banyan tree." No, it quietly stays underground, in darkness, in silence, in isolation. And while the world sees nothing happening inside, everything is happening. Roots are forming, strength is building, life is preparing itself. And one day, it breaks through the soil, not as noise, but as growth. And eventually, the same world that ignored the seed sits in the shade of the tree. That is exactly how dreams work. I learned this my own life. Years ago, when I decided to seriously build my interior design company and take my work to the world, many people around me had opinions. Oh, Lipika, you are a commerce student. How can you now start doing interior design? And also, this interior design market is very crowded. Everybody wants to do interiors today. How will you survive in this competition? And now you're trying to even put art into your projects? Indian art won't sell globally like this. And honestly, for a moment, those voices enter your head. Because when you are beginning something new, you're fragile. You're like that tiny seed. And seeds are not meant to fight storms immediately. They are meant to first develop roots. So instead of arguing, instead of explaining, instead of seeking validation, I quietly worked, quietly created, quietly built, quietly learned. And today, my interior work and my art is part of some of the finest projects across India and the globe. Not because I announced it loudly in the beginning, but because I protected it while it was growing. And that is what I want to tell you today. Sometimes, your dreams do not need publicity. It needs protection. Not everyone deserves access to your vision in its early stage. Because many people don't intentionally harm you, but they transfer their own limitations onto you. People who never took risks will explain why risks are dangerous. People who never built anything will explain why building is impossible. And if you keep listening, you will spend your whole life shrinking your dreams to fit somebody else's comfort zone. So let me share 3 things I want you to remember. Number 1, stop seeking approval before taking action. Most people clap only after success. Very few believe during the struggle. Number 2, protect your energy in the early stages. When a plant is tiny, even a footstep can destroy it. Build roots before you seek attention. And number 3, let results make the announcement. Silence is powerful. Growth is powerful. Consistency is powerful. You do not need to convince the world every day. One day, your work will speak so loudly that explanations won't be required. So, if you're starting something new today, a business, a creative journey, a YouTube channel, a dream nobody understands yet, be the seed. Go underground for some time, work quietly, grow silently, strengthen your roots. And then one day, rise so beautifully that the world stops and admires the tree you've become. If this video connected with you, write in the comments, I'm growing silently. And yes, share this video with somebody whose dream needs protection today. Because remember, the loudest noise in the beginning does not always create the biggest success in the end. Sometimes the quietest seed becomes the mightiest tree. And yes, I believe in you. I love you. Keep smiling.